Another beautiful day for a hero. Ready for any adventure that comes my way.
See? I can do anything! The water is no match for me! The sky is my playground! Nothing can stop me from helping!
Emergency call received. On my way to save the day.
What was that? Everything's blurry. Where am I? My head feels fuzzy.
Flash, are you all right? That was quite a bump you took.
Come on, body, do something! Why won't it work? I feel stuck.
We have a mission, Flash. A little cat named Whiskers is stranded on a deserted island.
A mission? Even without my powers? I'll try.
Okay, Whiskers, I'm coming. Just need to remember how to do things.
This road is quite lovely. I hope Whiskers, a fluffy white Persian cat, is okay.
Oh, no! A river! How do I get across this?
This won't work! My wheels aren't meant for swimming!
Water! Boat! It's almost there! What was it again? Think, Flash! Think! There must be a way!
Flash, do you read me? Captain Alex, loud and clear.
Flash, remember, when you see water, what do you become? Water.
Become...
A boat? Of course! I become a boat! Thank you, Captain Alex! Here I go! Time to set sail!
This feels so natural. Full speed ahead for Whiskers. Look at those happy fish. This river is full of life.
Obstacle ahead! Time to navigate! Whew, close call! Nothing can slow me down for long.
Wow, that's a big cliff. How will I get over that? I can't sail up a cliff. My boat parts aren't for climbing.
Nope, definitely not working. This is tricky. Cliffs! Flying! Something else! What was it I did up high?
I know I can conquer heights. Just how?
Flash, do you read me?
Yes, Captain Alex! I'm stuck! Flash, when you see a tall mountain or cliff, what do you become?
Mountain, cliff, up high.
A plane or a climber. I can fly. Hashtag, that's it. I need to fly.
Up, and away!
Whiskers, here I come from the sky.
This is amazing. Nothing can stop me now.
What a view from up here. I'll find you, long-haired black cat Whiskers. Just a little foggy here. Must stay focused.
Whiskers, are you there? I won't give up. A cave! That must be it! Whiskers, I see you! Perfect! Perfect landing! Now to find Whiskers the Persian cat inside.
Time for stealth mode. Caves can be tricky.
It's dark in here. Whiskers, where are you?
Good thing I have these bright lights. No dark corner will hide Whiskers, the ginger tabby cat.
Look alive!
Did you hear that? Whiskers, I'm coming! Almost there! Don't worry, a black and white tuxedo cat, Whiskers!
There you are, little one. You must be so frightened.
Don't worry, I'm here to take you home. Hop on, little one. It's safe.
We're almost out. Time to get you home, Whiskers. Ready for takeoff. Next stop, home.
We did it, Whiskers! Meow! Meow!
The river. I remember this. It feels so familiar now. See? I remember. Splashdown.
From water to land, no problem. We're almost home, Whiskers.
This feels so good to remember everything.
We made it! Home sweet home! Flash! You're back! And Whiskers, too! You did it!
Mission accomplished, Captain.
All my memories are back!
You're a true hero, Flash.
And I couldn't have done it without you all!